everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Stacy and today is Friday. Woohoo! Y'all know that's my favorite day of the week. And today I went and bought some seafood. I just wanted shrimp today. I didn't want to do the crab legs and all that other stuff. I just wanted some shrimp. It's a spot that we tried out here in Covington the other day. And I actually liked it. And so I was like, that's when I'm going to go back and get some more. But this time what I did was I just did the 20 shrimp. And I did garlic. And I added some Old Bay. But I came home and added fresh lemon. And what else did I put on here? Some more garlic. And I think that was it. Yeah, I know I squeezed fresh lemon on everything. And then it came with a potato. Also, yesterday, we tried a barbecue spot. And I really liked it. No, we did not. I didn't record it. But I am going to go back and get some food from this particular spot. But I had bought some Brunswick stew. So I didn't eat it all because the food I was just filled up on. And I got some green beans from the, so these two came from a barbecue spot. But this came from the seafood place that we tried that I like. And of course, I'm drinking my Merlot. I'm doing the Merlot with shots of coconut rum in it. And I say shots because I put a lot of rum in my wine. And like I said, this one glass, I'm telling y'all, it's going to have me feeling right. But it's hot in here. So y'all going to keep seeing me bust out my fan. Thank you again, Sheila with Week Fall for my beautiful fan. Y'all know how about my fans is getting that time of year, so y'all gonna start seeing these a lot again in my videos because, you know, I'm serious about my fans. So anyway, let me go ahead and say my grace so we can get started. God bless for me. Amen. Okay, let me tell y'all about this Brunswick stew. This has like shredded pork and corn in it, and it's really good. What's even better today? No, this is good. I ain't finna play with my food. Because I've been up since really early today. Been super busy doing stuff. And of course, before I came on camera, I'm not gonna lie, I hit this up. And yeah, this so good. Yes, it's Friday, baby. Woo! I'm in a good mood, y'all. I try to stay in one of those, to be honest. Okay, y'all, I'm having to program myself not to eat like I normally do, like eat my sides or my vegetables first. Only because people be wanting to see me eat the main dish. Now, like I said, this is the garlic. I got the garlic flavor with the butter, but I added some Old Bay and came home and added some more stuff. And I'm finna try this out. Oh, y'all. Let me tell y'all about this fresh lemon. I already added 1/2. So I'm adding some more. Yes, yes, yes. When I tell y'all, this is good. So, it is actually a beautiful day here. For those of you that don't know where I'm in Georgia. And it's a beautiful day out here. But tomorrow, which is going to be the weekend, it's not going to be so beautiful. Unfortunately. It's supposed to be raining. Tomorrow, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I have plans for tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see. So, how's everybody doing? I'm thinking for those of you that watch the Wine Time, we're back with the Wine Time and Chit Chat. You know, in that one, we were discussing domestic violence. So, I'm working on trying to figure out when, you know, me and Tika have separate channels, so we still have to do material for our individual channels. And the thing is, this week the boys was out of school, so, you know, the house was just busy. But we're gonna do a part 2 to that very soon, simply because I got so much feedback on that topic that it's definitely a topic that it's what I consider, for me and my channel, it's a hot topic right now. And y'all, I ain't trying to show you my breath. Sorry. But and it's a lot of people that I got so much feedback, but like, you know, the thing that I realized in the comments and the emails that I got behind that is that there are a lot of people that are either in a domestic violence situation of their own, or they grew up with their mothers going through it. So yeah. And what I noticed was that I also got feedback from men, and that's really what I was hoping for, because I knew I was gonna get the feedback from the women, because, you know, that's, you know, we definitely go speak up when something, you know, when it's something that gets a reaction out of us, you know, something that we got a lot to say about. So I just want to tell everybody that has been responding and leaving messages and comments, thank you so much. But I do want to say this. I usually check everything from my phone, and I was on my computer the other day, and I went ahead and it was, you know, when I have to upload and all of that, and I went and checked my messages, and I didn't realize a lot of my messages are going to the little tabs that say held for review or likely spam. So I was like, whoa. But yeah, I never check. I very seldom check my YouTube comments and stuff through the computer. I almost do everything from my phone because it's just, to me, more convenient. But I guess to really see what's going on and what's being said and so on and so forth, I need to start getting on my computer and looking at my messages. So I just want to bring that to your attention. Y'all know I love my starches. But you know what? I don't even know the name of this place. I want to say this place is called Crawfish Seafood. It's a little place that I've always passed it. I see it all the time. Just never really paid attention to be honest with you. And of course, my lovely daughter Tika. This was a place that she tried. And then she got me on it. And the thing was, I just didn't want to, because we've had a lot going on this week. I didn't want to fool out, like, you know, yes, I just didn't feel like fooling with cooking it and going through all of that. So I'm like, hell, I'll just buy it. And go from there. Because you know one thing about me, I'm always add my extra. And you know what, 2 weeks ago, y'all, Tika did we did seafood on Tika's channel. The next day, we did one on my channel. And we didn't get to eat all of it, so on Thursday we did one on Tika's, on Friday we did one on mine, and then that Saturday we still had a lot of leftovers, so I had to eat that. So I had the crab legs and lobster tail, all that stuff 3 days in a row. So that's why today, even though that was 2 weeks ago, that's why today I just wanted shrimp. I didn't want crab legs today. Excuse me. I'm sure by next week I'll be ready for some crab legs. Tika really wanted her a lobster tail. So she ended up buying her a lobster. She's gonna do her seafood thing on her channel today. A lobster with lobster and shrimp. So be looking out for that. I know you guys will. Those of you that's not familiar with her channel, which I'm sure almost everybody watching me is, her link is down in the description box. Y'all, see, this is what we talking about. I'm full, but I want to eat my food because I don't want to come back to it. And that'd be the hardest thing. Oh, these beans are good. Y'all, I love green beans. I love green vegetables, period. Like broccoli. Love, love, love green beans. Collard greens. I don't eat turnip greens, but I love cabbage, Brussels sprouts, zucchini, lima beans, but green beans are my absolute favorite. Well, like I told y'all, the boys are home. So you might hear RJ and Jeremiah playing in the background. You might hear him, you might can't. But they have enjoyed their week off. Their spring break. They've been hanging out with my mom. And they are taking karate now. I know Tika had it up on her blog. But they taking karate now and they loving it. So because they started doing karate, now that's gonna kind of dictate where else they'll be able to go, whatever. So that, excuse me y'all, so that it doesn't affect their karate classes. And they absolutely loving that. Oh y'all, boy. That piece of corn stuff. Yeah. The corn silk. And no, I didn't get corn, but apparently they prepared some corn before they did mine in the steamer. Oh. And I opted to get mine with the shell off today. Because yesterday, because I had this yesterday, but I had just that different seasoning. Tika had the garlic one, and I loved it, so that's why I got this today. I'm telling y'all, we just ain't felt like doing all the cooking and cleaning of seafood and all that stuff, so that's why we end up buying it yesterday. Although she's going to prepare hers today, but it's just a few shrimp and a lobster tail. Because for those of you that that follows her, she has really scaled back her eating. So yeah. So she's not gonna have all that butter and stuff like that. And I didn't want all that today either. I don't know how many of y'all are like me. But like, if you eat heavier during the cold months, and then as it start getting hot, you start eating different. You eat lighter because the heavy food wears you down. Okay. It's corn syrup, y'all. Like my green beans. Or my, that's just the potato skins. And I realize I can't, when I'm doing mukbangs, I can't, like, drink a whole lot of liquids before I start filming, because it fills me up quicker. Whew, I'm so full. But anyway, y'all, I wasn't do a whole bunch. Well, y'all see I ain't doing a lot of talking. I actually ate my food. But I will be doing some stuff over the weekend. Like, this is actually good. Ooh, that was good. That big chunk of meat in here. But anyway, well, I ate all my Brunswick stew. These are the perfect size. They're small, so that's perfect. I enjoyed my meal. I enjoyed my meal today. Now I'm enjoying my drink. Look. I did tell you what I had. I have Merlot with coconut rum, but I also put the other half of this lemon. I squeezed it in my drink, and I cut up a slice. So it's actually a slice of lemon in here too. This gonna have me feeling so good. I probably end up going to sleep. It's actually a nice day outside, but it looks like it's trying to cool off. But I know the temperatures are going to go down within the next, between today and tomorrow, because it's supposed to be rain or whatever. But y'all will see me this weekend, because I will be on here talking and acting silly, and I'm sure I'll be back on later doing a live later on today. I want to, because a lot of people have been sending me inboxes asking me when am I going to do the next live, because they missed the lives. The lives are really fun. I truly enjoy the lives, but I have to get mentally prepared for the live streaming, and I'm just being honest. I have to get really mentally prepared for that, because you have to be prepared and ready for when trolls come on. So I have to choose that, when I do it and when I'm mentally ready for that, because again, I have a life outside of YouTube. I have other things going on, and sometimes this is my release. I love getting in front of the camera, talking, and I so much enjoy doing live when I get to interact with my subscribers / what I call my family. So I enjoy doing that. But then you get people that come on and just mess it up. And that's okay. That's expected. But mentally, I don't know about anybody else, but mentally, I have to get prepared for that. So that, that's just the way I do. But I'm going to get ready to end this and get on up out of here. I love you guys. Be blessed, and I will see you later on today. I'm going to do a live tonight, y'all, I promise. So until then, love you, my brown sugar sweet things, and I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye.